You know, a car accident can bring up a lot of questions. Questions about your health, if you'll be able to go back to work, and who will pay for all the damage. Well, we spoke with Melanie Bailey, an attorney from Berg Simpson, to learn about the steps you can take if you've been in an accident.
You've been involved in an auto accident or you've suffered injuries from the negligence of another person and you're thinking about contacting an attorney, one of the most important things for you to remember is that time is of the essence. And so you're better off contacting an attorney sooner rather than later. So when you do call our office, generally we have intake specialists and paralegals who will talk to you about what happened to you and get some basic information for you, some facts. Information and details about when the accident occurred, when your injury occurred, and whether or not you sought medical treatment, and if you did seek medical treatment, where you were hospitalized or where or who you may have treated with. And if you have those medical records already collected, that's great. We could take a look at those medical records for you. If you don't already have those medical records, it's important for you to gather that information. And we do have information on our website about how you go about requesting those medical records. Generally, it takes about 30 days or so in order to get the records from a hospital or from a medical provider. So again, it takes time to do that. If you don't have the ability or the time to do that for yourself, we can certainly take on that responsibility for you. But one of the other information or pieces of information that we may want to know from you is, do you have a copy of the police report? That police report and auto accident report has some important information for us. It may have information about exactly when the accident occurred, where it occurred. It will have information about who the other drivers are. It will also may have information in there about the weather at the time of the accident, which is important for us to know. And also when it comes down to social media, remember that posting things on social media is not always private, and that information may be discoverable by the other side. So if you're involved in an accident or if you have personal injuries that you've suffered on either side of the river, whether it be Ohio or Kentucky, we do have attorneys that are licensed in both states that we could help you with your legal claim.
Well, if you've been in an accident and want to speak with a Berg Simpson attorney, give them a call at 513-852-5600, or you can find more information at bergsimpsonohio.com.